Okay, what's up everybody? On today's episode, we're gonna be targeting billfish. We're on board of our 35-foot Cabo Express. It's called the Rock and Reel. We just got this into our fleet not too long ago. And Captain Roberto, he's the one that is gonna be taking everybody fishing out here on this boat. And we're gonna be showing you how we use the teasers to attract like billfish, and how we usually set up the pitch bait. So that's actually the strategy we're going to be using today so that we can get a billfish. Hopefully we do pretty good because we have an 11-year-old that have never caught a billfish before, and that's our main goal today. Catch a billfish for an 11-year-old Roberto. His name is Roberto, and we're fishing today with Captain Octavio from Ensenada. He took us on out there in Ensenada fishing for bluefin tuna. We did great with, what's the name of those? Nomads, Max. That's what we were using out there in Ensenada. We did great. So today that's what we're doing. Hopefully you guys like the video, and let's see what we can do.
Ahí déjala. Cóbrele Arturo. Ahí tu carnada, flaco, tu carnada. Viene para el curricán del tangón.
Chido dorado.
Levanta, cuando agarre levántala porque va a cortar allá el teaser. Levántala. Arturo, cobra el teaser rápido, güey. Cobra el teaser rápido. Que la va a cortar, güey. Cóbrala, Simón.
¿Quién la va a cortar? ¿El Marlin?
Sí, güey. La Spectra. Está, hijo. Hijo, no creía, no, mi niño.
Yo te dije de aventurera tú, güey.
Míralo.
¿Sabes o no sabes?
Algo bien.
No te
gustó
desesperes,
Arturo?
Tranquilo. Ya le
Dani,
jaló
no, cuidado, después vela, güey. Te tiene el coraje eso, ¿sí?
Ten cuidado, Dani.
El último lo querían soleado.
Lo quería dediar. ¿Qué onda, güey?
Lo quería picar.
Lo quería dediar.
¿Cómo se llama el niño?
Roberto.
¿Tu tocayo?
Ahí, mi tocayo.
Ahí. Ok, pues aquí traemos, we have Roberto.
Creo que aquí están
¿Cuántos
de moda
años
los
tiene?
Robertos, ¿no?
11 años. Oh.
It is the other Roberto.
So we got Roberto right now. He's 11 years old. He's fighting a nice sailfish. We just caught it right now exactly the same way we said we were going to actually. We had these teasers right here hanging. That's what we were using to attract the fish. The fish started attacking these teasers. And then I moved forward the teaser. And Captain Roberto he's the one that actually reel in the pitch bait a little bit more so that he can be right next to the sailfish. And now we have Roberto, 11-year-old Roberto fighting a sailfish. He's doing pretty good.
Yeah.
He's been doing this, yeah.
There's coming.
He have done this before. He's used to fighting bluefin tunas out there in Ensenada.
Marlin.
Mira qué bonito.
Bonito.
Bien jeteadito.
Eso, beautiful. Mira ahí. Ten cuidado, Dani.
Oh,
Eso.
ahí déjalo.
Mira ahí.
Chulada.
Hermoso, mira. Sigue.
Camínale
Pásate
para allá,
el otro
camínale
lado,
para allá.
Roberto. Pásate
vela.
para el otro lado, bien.
Después vela, déjalo que corra. Cuando quiera correr, déjalo que corra. Sigue tu línea nomás.
Ya sabes que traigo 100% de efectividad ahora.
Anda al 100, Roberto.
Mira eso. Bonita foto, video ahí.
Ahí está, José. Hay que liberarlo, ¿no?
Ya aquí está.
Okay, so we have Roberto.
que
11
liberarlo,
years
está muy
old.
chico, ¿no?
Sí, hay que
He just
liberarlo. Sí.
reeled in these nice sailfish. We were out here looking for a striped marlin or a billfish, and we caught one already.
Hasta va para arriba. Deja la caña, Roberto. Pon la caña allá. Pon la caña ahí atrás en la silla. Ahí ponla. Clava la caña para que te tomes una foto con él. Hazte para allá, mira, Roberto. Allá ponte en la esquina. Ponte en la esquina. Lo voy a poner en tus pies ahí en tu pecho.
Pues míralo como
Sí,
al
ponte en la pura
Roberto.
esquina. En la pura esquina, siéntate. Más en la esquina. Perfecto.
Agarra la panza.
He's 11 years old. He just got his first sailfish,
Tu primer pez
and
vela, mira.
we're about to
Ok, ya hay
release
que
it in a
aventarlo
little
al
bit.
agua, pobrecito ya.
Vámonos, let's go back into the water.
Eso.
Que viva.
There we go.
Aquí desde Cabo, Contact Cabo, Arturo.
You.
Eso.
Arturo.
Está. Suéltalo,
Vámonos,
flaco.
vámonos.
Vámonos.
Off
Eso.
he goes.
Buen trabajo. Ahí va, mira. Adiós, bonito. Gracias.
Nice.
Qué bonito está.
Neta.
Buen trabajo, muchachos. Ponme carnadita nueva aquí, flaco, porfa. Ah, no, esta está nueva, pónmela.
¿Te cansaste?
Okay, so when we're up here on the bridge, I mean on the tower, on the tuna tower, this is called a tuna tower, that we have on our 35 footer, and actually on everything on top of the 35 we have tuna towers. And when we're up here, we usually set up two teasers on the third wave behind us. And right now we're using these two teasers, and usually the striped marlin, when we're going for marlin or blues, usually they go after the teasers. The teasers, they make a lot of splashes and it attracts the fish, but we do not have hooks on it. So what we do, we get a strike on it. I start reeling in the teaser a little bit, and then on these two talicas that we have, 25 talicas that we have up here, we usually have two sewed up baits. So Roberto sewed up two baits with a 3-ounce weight underneath so that they can swim like if they're alive, and we're trolling a little bit faster than when we're trolling with light bait. And when we're up here and we see a striped marlin or a marlin striking one of our teasers, Roberto is going to show you right now what we do and how we actually move or hook the marlin with a pitch bait.
Okay? What you're gonna do is when you get a bite on the teaser, you're gonna reel it in faster. See? Reel it in faster, and you're gonna try to put your bait behind the teaser so the marlin can see it and get it. As soon as the marlin hits the bait, you have to let him take it. Like
Free spool.
free spool. Let him take it. Few seconds, like
So that he
7,
can
8
swallow
seconds,
the
and then
whole bait because we're using
set the hook
circular
on the
hooks.
fish. Yeah, that's what you have to
Pues
do.
me sentí muy feliz porque era el primer pez vela que saco. No me había tocado verlo cómo se aventaba de enfrentito del barco. No, muy padre la experiencia. Jaló más fuerte que la tuna. Se sentía como cabeceaba, cómo se aventaba y se destensaba la línea.
Okay, so today we came out here for a half day with Captain Roberto. We just wanted to bring our friend Octavio and his son Roberto as well to get a not a sailfish. We caught a sailfish, but we wanted to get a billfish. That was the main target. We got one. They're ready to go because their wife, Octavio's wife, is waiting for him, and they have a couple of things to do. So we're gonna go back early today, and we're not gonna be going after anything else today. Something just jumped right there. But we had a great time. We got to get the 11-year-old Roberto sailfish, and he's super happy. I'm super happy. I hope you guys really like how we did it. Hopefully we explained good enough. If you have any questions on how we actually fish or what any type of species down here in Cabo San Lucas, feel free to comment below. Let us know what you would like to know or what you think about what we're posting. Make sure you hit the bell button so that you can get alerts and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Arturo Chacon from Tactical Sport Fishing down here in Cabo San Lucas. Peace. Okay, so this is day number 2. This is day number 2 fishing with our amigo Octavio and his 11-year-old son, Roberto. Today we're going to be targeting billfish as well because they usually don't get any billfish in Ensenada, or they don't get them as much as we do down here in Cabo San Lucas. So we're taking them out on the second day on board of our 30-foot custom fisher, El Peleador. And since Octavio didn't get to fight a fish on the first day, now he's going to be the one fighting the whatever we catch today. Hopefully it'll be a striped marlin. And we're going only for half a day because his wife didn't allow him to go for much longer than that.
So we just spotted a marlin. We're gonna see what's up. Feed him, guys. Ahí está. We got a hookup. We got a marlin on the line. Ahí tenemos el marlin al fondo. Ahí está cabeceando. Primer marlin del día.
Sí, sí lo alcancé a ver cuando ya venía acá atrás de la carnada.
Ahí lo tenemos. Brinca, bonito, brinca. Eso. Ya viene aquí abajo.
Qué chulada, loco.
No quiere abollar. Tenemos el primer marlin.
Pásame el cuchillo, está detrás de ti.
El cuchillo.
Está en la esquina de aquel lado.
Corta la línea. Agarra la caña. Roberto, agarra la caña. Sí. Sácale la foto. A ver.
Okay, so overall we took Octavio fishing 2 days on our 35-foot Cabo Express and our 30-foot fishing cruiser. And they wanted to get billfish, and that's exactly what we target. We ended up releasing a nice sailfish on the first day and a nice striped marlin on the second day. Hopefully you guys really like this video. If you guys do, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell button below so that you guys can get alerts every single time we post a video. And also comment below if you have any questions and you would like us to do some type of video of us fishing down here in Cabo San Lucas. Please make sure that you comment below so that we can get to know, and we'll be more than happy to go make that video happen.